Ello is how doing you doing good, my name is Isabella and you watching Gossip in Los Angeles, I have an interesting data for you about Kim Kardashian, and tells Kylie Jenner's best friend Stassie Karanikolaou for sister so a photo shoot. Okay, let's start from beginning. Kim Kardashian teamed up with Stassie Karanikolaou for a sizzling new photo shoot on Instagram this Tuesday. Stassie became a star on social media as the best friend of with Kim's makeup mogul younger half sister Kylie Jenner. The new Kylie y Stass. Almohadilla sister swap, said Kim, in her caption prompting Kylie to comment, whatever. Kim showed off her sensational cleavage and enviably flat midriff in a flash-flashing outfits recently wore on holiday to Turks and Caicos. Meanwhile Stassie slipped into an olive green mini dress that featured a peccably down the front to emphasize her curves. Last Friday she returned stateside from a trip to Turks and Caicos with her North, 7, and Chicago, 3, on Cesar's with her Tirbles Bank Kanye West. Kim also shared was on Sky Saint, 5, and Salm, 1, but Kim wrote on Instagram over the weekend at the vacation at Benna Hills trip. The Turks and Caicos vacation also included all 4 of Kim's sisters, Kourtney and Khloe Kardashian as well as Kylie and Kendall Jenner. Based on Kylie's Insta stories on Saturday she met to have returned to the Tranquility Villa where she also a family trip for her 23rd birthday last summer. The sprawling on 7-bedroom property is made for 16 guests and is currently listed on Airbnb costing upwards of $30,000 a night. Kim went on her latest holiday with her children amid a swirl of reports that she is on the verge of divorcing Kanye she married in 2014. Recently a Page 6 insider alleged that the upcoming last season of Keeping Up with the Kardashians will show the Kim marriage on the rocks. The sources claimed that the Kardashians intend to go out with a bang. They filmed Kim discussing her marriage problems. But everybody involved is on a non-disclosure agreement, because the finale won't screen until later in 2021. I think that's all for now. Thank you for watching this show. If you have any suggestions or thoughts about this news please feel free to comment below. We will definitely reply you and one of lucky person name mentions in our next episode so keep subscribe Gossip in la YouTube channel. See you soon for now.